Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a quick video on Palmer's Cocoa Butter formula. This is the iconic multi-use balm. It comes in a tub, it smells incredible, and I love it, and there are so many ways to use it. So today I thought I'd do a video on 25 ways to use it. In case you haven't used this before, it's kind of like a gorgeous balm. It's kind of, I don't know, it turns into a bit of an oil. You can use it everywhere and anywhere. It smells incredible and it's so affordable. This tub is £4.29. How good is that? I think that's amazing. Most of my favourite multi-use balms are like £20 for a tub like this. So the fact that this is £4.29 is incredible. So anyway, I'm going to share some of my favourite ways to use it. I'm just going to rub it in. First way to use it, as a hand cream. Isn't that good? Put it in your handbag, use it as an emergency hand cream, it works a treat, or as an overnight hand cream. See, look, there's a use already and we haven't even started. Whew. So the first way to use it is as a lip balm. Works great, put it in your handbag anytime you need a lip balm, boom, 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 you're done. Next, if you've got some sunburn, you can use it to help heal that dry, flaky skin. Again, it will work a treat. Next, if you've got any stretch marks and they're kind of purpley red coloured, you want to take it down to like normal skin colour, put a bit of this on, it will work, it will help reduce them. Same with scars, it will help to reduce the appearance of scars. And also, if you're into waxing, you can use it to help remove the residue of the wax. Similarly, if you are dyeing your eyebrows, you can use it to protect your skin. Dyeing your hair, you can use it to protect your hairline. Or even if you're doing your eyelashes, again, a little bit around and your skin won't get, I don't know, all dye-y, you know? Anyway, next way, eczema. If you've got some eczema, it will help soothe it. If you've got any itchy skin, again, a little bit of this, it will help soothe it. You can also use it when you're traveling to help remove your makeup, because I don't know about you, but I like to travel with a lot of multi-use products so that it doesn't take up too much space. And this is a great makeup remover. Or you can use it to put your makeup on. Seriously, if you're going to a festival and you want some like glitter and stars around your eyes, you can put it on and then stick the glitter on with Palmer's. Much better than using an adhesive and much more comfortable as well. Then if you are using fake eyelashes, you can use it to remove your fake eyelashes. Isn't it good? It's like a one-stop shop for literally everything. Next, if you're like me and you hate wearing plasters because you hate that stickiness that is left behind, you can use a little bit of this to remove the stickiness. It will work a treat. And then if you are pregnant or you are kind of postpartum and you are suffering with your skin and it's really sore and dry and it's really tender, again, you can use it as a bit of a bump balm and it will help nourish the skin and improve elasticity, so it will just be a lot more comfortable on your bump. You can use it as a primer, so if you're wearing eyeshadow, you don't have a primer, put a bit of this on and it will work as an eyeshadow primer. And then you can use it in your hair to help tame frizz and tame flyaways. And you can use it on the ends to help sort out your split ends between hairdresser appointments. Oh my god, there's so many uses. Okay, next up, if you've got a cold and you've got a chapped nose, you can put a little bit around your nose just to help the chapping. Next, if you've got dry feet, you can put a big old dollop on and shove it on your feet and you use it as an overnight foot mask. Works really well, really hydrates the feet, incredible. And you can use it also as a hand mask overnight. It will really like sort your hands out, and it does have a little bit of like a greasy feel, like you wouldn't necessarily want to use it and then read a book, but as an overnight hand cream it works so well. It's so good. What else have we got? Oh, cuticle balm. So dry cuticles which are just like needing hydration, again, cuticle balm, amazing. Use it on the go, so good. And if you don't have a shaving balm, you can, it's kind of a balm to oil consistency, so you can lend it to your husband, you can use it for your shaving, and it works really well as a shaving cream or shaving balm. Incredible. Whew, okay, 5 more to go. This is a marathon. So next way you can use it as a highlighter, just a little bit here, and it will give you a gorgeous natural glow. So pretty. You can use it as a body moisturizer. You can use it all over your skin, or you can use it on just the rough patches like your knees, elbows, shoulders, for instance, wherever you want. And then you can use it on any rough and bumpy skin, any irritations. And finally, you can use it to moisturize your handbags. It actually works really well on your handbags to help soften the leather, especially if the leather's kind of like feeling quite dry and cracked. A little bit like nourishing your skin, you can nourish your handbag leather with it too. So that, my friends, is 25 uses for this amazing and iconic product. I absolutely love it. It's such an amazing product. I use it all the time. I love it. I love the smell. It's so good. But yeah, I absolutely love this product. It's incredible. It's so affordable, and you can use it for so many different things as well. So if you're traveling and you want just one product which is gonna like heal, nourish, hydrate, remove your makeup, help your makeup stick on, all those things, this is the one. And it smells so good and it's so affordable. It's like £4.20. Isn't that bonkers? Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.